Hi, welcome to class. I hope that you have a good day today doing our first Canvas video try without talking to me as the teacher and me not talking to you. That's going to be very strange. Hopefully this gets us to the point where you are going to find out today how the terrestrial planets would support life if you could create a creature that would actually be able to live on one of the planets. As we start looking at this, we're going to see several different aspects as we go. Hopefully you can see that you're going to go through and name the animal. You're going to figure out what it's going to breathe. You're going to tell us what temperature it is on the planet so that it can survive on the planet. You're going to need to tell us how is it going to get a water source or something that it's going to drink to maintain the body structure, and what is it going to be able to eat that's from your planet, along with how is it going to walk and travel, and what is it going to be living in. Now, as you can see behind me, I've done a animal for Mercury. I don't have it drawn, but I can explain to you a little bit about where this creature is going to be living. It's going to be living in a crater. It's going to be able to breathe solar flares that are coming off of the sun, since it's so close to the sun. It's going to be able to eat iron because that Mercury has such a large molten core. You're going to see iron all over, and that's something that it's going to have a tongue that's going to be able to drill into and through the outer crust, into and through the mantle to the core, which is the molten iron. It's going to be able to drink volcanic rock. Now, you're going to ask, how is it going to do that? Well, it might be more kind of like a snake at different times. It's going to, as you see the temperature change, you're going to need to have something that is going to be very, very cold. So it's going to have polar bear fur. And just like a snake, it's going to have its skin come off and be like shedding its skin to get it to be very, very cold. So that instead when it's very close to the sun. Now, I will explain a little more to you after I draw. Now, as you look over here, you will see that there is a tail that is going to be red, or in this case, more orange, and it's going to have a drill on that end that is going to drill into and through the mantle and into the core. The tail is going to be for like a snake. The animal is going to have a green body, and green so that it's not going to absorb all the heat, but it can release the heat. This animal has a tongue that's going to come out kind of like a snake so that it will be able to drink the volcanic rock. Now, again, this is my example, and I think you will have a better job at being creative than what I was. Thank you.